In this video, we are going to see how we can create the ledgers all from the multi-ledger creation mode. From the gateway of Tally, I'll just click on the chart of accounts and select ledgers. There we get the group details only, but on the right hand side, we have the multiple masters option. So if we want to create the brand new list of ledgers, we click on multi-create from here. But if you have already entered some of the ledgers like I did, we can click on multi-alter and select all items. So not only we can add new ledger and create new ledgers, we also get the list of existing ledgers as well. So hit enter and go on the next line. Now according to this project, we will enter all of the ledgers besides these three, which is control accounts, that is debtors, inventory and creditors, because when we update individual customers along with their balances, this balance will automatically update. Same goes for inventory and same goes for the payables. So let's go to the next one by skipping this one. Rent security is next. Copy and paste that. Since it is a security deposits, I'll choose deposits assets as the category. Copy and paste the balance right here. It will be debit by default. Next we have machinery, which is a fixed asset. So just choose fixed asset here. Copy and paste the balance. It is debit. Next line, accumulated depreciation of machinery. I'll just paste this one. It is a fixed asset and the balance should be in the credit side because this is a contra asset. That means all the depreciation charged until now over the period of years is combined as accumulated depreciation and will reduce the overall fixed asset value. So it is basically categorized as a fixed asset to reduce the value, but it is separately mentioned as a separate ledger so that we can trace the original value of the asset and then the depreciation as well. And since fixed asset is by default debit in nature, we have to manually put a credit sign on it. Now, if you want to learn more about the accumulated depreciation and how it is a contra asset, I have attached a document with the resources section of this video that you can check out, which will show you different examples on how we can deal with this and what is the accounting treatment of it. So let's move back to our assignment, and the creditors, I'll just skip it because when we individually enter the supplier and balances, it will automatically update. Next one we have is accrued expenses. Just copy and paste that. And this is a current liability. I'll just choose this one, copy and paste the balances right here. It's automatically credited because it's a liability. Sales tax payable, I'll just copy and paste that, and it is also a current liability. But if we have a better category in the liabilities, we can choose that. I think current liabilities is a better option. And this one is charged as credit as well. Now, next one we have is general reserves. And let's find a better area for this. So reserves and surplus, I'll charge it here on credit side. Hit enter. The last one we have is net owner's equity. I'll just paste that. This one is a capital account and the balance is like here. It's a credit balance and all the ledgers are entered along with the balances and details. So press Ctrl A. And this is how not only you can create new ledgers, but alter the existing ones so that you can continue with creating new ledgers in Tally Prime. Just try this by yourself and I'll see you in the next one.